Hello and welcome to another episode of State of the Art. Yes, today we would like to show you at our excavator model how you can use engineering templates. That's quite useful when you have parts that are calculated very often and should maybe be calculated directly by the design department. Then it's possible that a simulation engineer, a simulation expert, prepares some templates and the designers can directly apply their new design to this template and they will get the results automatically without building up a separate model. Let's have a look at this one. Yeah, just as a reminder, this is our excavator model, and you remember that we had some multi-body simulation done, and yes, we evaluated all the forces and torques to the structural model, and there we can now do some strength evaluations. So a design or a simulation expert will build up a model with all the bolts inside and everything inside to calculate the strength of the parts. And now when the simulation expert creates a simulation template, the designer can directly do some changes on his design and directly calculate automatically the new design with the template which was prepared. So that's a very straightforward process. And in the end, when the designer says, yeah, the part is okay, he can handle this model to the simulation expert and he can do some detailed analysis, maybe with submodeling or so on. Let's have a look how it looks in the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. So this is our expert model from the simulation expert. There are some virtual bolts inside. The part is meshed. We have some distributed couplings inside to apply forces and everything. So the model is quite complex, but it's finished so far. And this is the first version of this bracket up there. And the designer might want to change the bracket a bit, maybe change some topology, and it looks like this, the new version. And now the question is if this is still sufficient or if we maybe have to change it again. So now the designer can use the template which was prepared by the simulation expert in advance and put his new version of the model into this template. All the mesh settings, all the boundary conditions, everything will be automatically set to the new model, and also the solver settings and so on. So we are opening the assembly design, and then we are selecting the template, which was prepared in advance. This is this one here. It's a template. And as soon as we open the template, we have to define the part that we would like to replace. And this is the bracket which was changed in design. This will be replaced now in the complete assembly. And thanks to this template, the 3DEXPERIENCE platform exactly knows which settings have to be copied to the new part. Now we give this calculation a new name, and we start everything, and you will see that automatically the part is replaced and meshed, and all the boundary conditions are applied again. So this is the new part implemented into the prepared FE model without any extra effort. The part is automatically meshed and the boundary conditions are set. All the virtual bolts are set. Everything is correct. So we can just push the start button. So this is a really powerful tool to be able to provide a template to the design department to enable them to calculate very quickly variant A, variant B, variant C to check if they are sufficient or not. And in the end, they can play back the best variant to the simulation expert to make the final validation. So that's what I wanted to show you today. That's state of the art. And yeah, maybe that's something helpful for you. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye. Until next time.